How to restore deleted files in Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app on your phone or go to drive.google.com on your computer. Tap the menu icon or look at the left sidebar and select Trash or Bin. This is where all deleted files go, and they stay there for 30 days before being permanently deleted. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the file you want to recover. Once you find it, tap the three dots or right-click and choose Restore. The file will go back to its original folder just like it was before deletion. If the file doesn't show up, it might be already permanently deleted, especially if it's been more than 30 days. For shared files, only the owner can restore them, so double check with them if needed. And that's it. Quick and simple recovery in just a few taps.